Ladies and gentlemen, in my video I'll give you instructions that will help you to understand the danger of fake Edge update alerts. Of course, Edge, as you probably know, is the browser developed by Microsoft. But some online hackers use fake Edge update alerts. In particular, this is the fake alert that is related to the site purebrowseraddonedge.com. Such pop-ups may attack Microsoft Edge browser, but in my case, even these pop-ups came through Google Chrome. The real purpose of these fake Edge update alerts is to force users into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. You shouldn't trust these fake alerts. Don't interact with them. Simply leave this deceptive page. We recommend that you carefully research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and then begin researching your system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.